What if I tell you that you can actually learn ChatGPT in different niche and gain certification which you can use to enhance your resume? Sounds interesting, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you a platform where you can learn ChatGPT in different niche, whether you're in marketing, in design. You can learn how to use ChatGPT in that particular niche and gain certification at the end, which you can use to enhance your resume or also post it on your LinkedIn and get opportunities with it. So let's quickly dive into what I have for you today. Hey guys, glad to have you back here. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you a platform that you can learn, you can apply ChatGPT in the particular niche that you are. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel because I bring more updates on tech, artificial intelligence and more. So I don't want to waste time on this video, so let's just dive into what I have for you today. So with the speed at which artificial intelligence now is taking over a lot of things, so many people want to actually learn artificial intelligence, how to apply artificial intelligence in their niche. Whether you're into maybe content writing, you want to know how to make use of artificial intelligence so that you make your work faster and easier while doing that particular skill that you're doing. So as I said before, this video I'm going to show you this platform. This platform, what you need to do is you just go into the platform, create your account, and you'll be able to access courses for free. Courses that you'll be able to learn and also gain artificial intelligence skills in it. So once you just log in, let me just show you this platform. So as you're seeing it on the screen, once you just go into this platform now, you'll just be able to create an account. When you just click on the sign up, you create an account, or you can sign up with Google. So as you see now, as I'm scrolling, you see that yes, there are actually different skills that you can learn on it. So from here you see you can learn ChatGPT in Excel, ChatGPT in different skills. So all you need to do is, okay, for example, maybe I'm into content writing. I can just click on the search button and just search content. Just search content writing now. Content writing, and you see how it's brought out different courses, free courses that I can learn in content writing, content marketing basics, how to improve writing skills, ChatGPT in content and SEO. So once even ChatGPT in coding, ChatGPT in engineering, prompt engineering for ChatGPT, generative AI for beginners. So even though you're a beginner and you don't know much about AI, you can just take this generative AI for beginners. So on this platform, you can get free courses on different niche, leadership, project management, and a lot. So just quickly go into this platform. All you need to do is to sign up and you'll be able to access these courses for free. You take the courses, and at the end of the program you'll be offered a certificate, and this certificate you can attach it on your LinkedIn profile, and you can also use it on your resume, because a lot of recruiters now, they want people that have knowledge of AI. They want people that is knowledgeable about AI because of the way the technology is going, at the rate the technology is going now. So what are you waiting for? The link to this platform is on the description, so just click on the more and you'll be able to access the link. Don't forget to follow my platform for more of this type of updates, because I bring to you updates on AI, tech and more. Bye guys.